Most poisonous animals of the world in their category. Many animals naturally produce venoms, toxins, and poisons to defend themselves and incapacitate their prey, while others accumulate toxins from the food they eat. From jellyfish to snakes, poisonous creatures come in all different shapes, sizes. Difference between venomous and poisonous animals of the world. Venomous species actively inject toxic serums. Conversely, poisonous animals passively disperse toxins. We are discussing here top most venomous animals of the world in their category. Most venomous spider in the world, funnel web spider. Varying in length, from 1 to 5 centimeters in body length, and color, ranging from black to brown. There are at least 40 species of funnel web spiders in the world. 2 species in the family Atracidae, Sydney funnel web spiders and tree-dwelling funnel web spiders, rank among the most venomous arachnids in the world. Female nibbles are harmless to humans, but male bites can incapacitate victims. When threatened, venomous funnel webs stand up on their hind legs and flash their fangs. If the threat doesn't subside, they will bite targets up to 28 times. The funnel web's fangs are very sharp and strong, and are much bigger than the fangs of a brown snake, with the ability to pierce through a fingernail and shoe leather. Thankfully, scientists have developed a highly effective, life-saving antivenom that saved thousands of lives over several decades. These crawling assassins with glossy exteriors come in blue-black, all-black, brown, and dark purple. Burying themselves in a funnel-shaped web of silk, the entrance usually opens into the shape of a T or Y, allowing its prey to fall in or be curious about it. Most venomous jellyfish, box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is the most venomous animal in the world. Death can occur minutes after being stung. There are 51 species of box jellyfish, and 4 are highly venomous. Since 1883, when box jellyfish deaths first started being recorded, the box-shaped, gelatinous carnivores have claimed hundreds of human lives. In the Philippines alone, approximately 20 people a year pass away from sting complications. Box jellyfish bodies are about 8 inches long, and their tentacles reach 10 feet. Most individuals have 15 tentacles per corner, and each tentacle sports about 500,000 venom injectors. In other words, a single box jellyfish has about 30 million venomous stingers. Jellyfish can be some of the most venomous animals in the world. Most venomous snake in the world, saw-scaled viper. The most venomous snake in North America is the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, but the most venomous snake in the world is the saw-scaled viper, also known as a carpet viper. These slithering executioners belong to the genus Achais and can be found in Africa, India, the Middle East, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Their bites are agonizingly painful and more than occasionally fatal. It holds the world record for most snakebite deaths in humans. Females of the species are twice as venomous as males, and their deadly serum is a cocktail of neurotoxins, cardiotoxins, hemotoxins, and cytotoxins, which attack the nervous system, heart, blood, and cells, respectively. They are relatively small snakes, ranging from 30 to 90 centimeters, 12 to 35 in length, with a stout body, a pear-shaped head, and vertically elliptical pupils 13. They have rough and strongly keeled scales with apical pits, which they rub against each other to produce a hissing sound when threatened. This sound is a defensive alarm used to warn potential predators. They can strike quickly and repeatedly. Their venom is hemotoxic and cytotoxic, causing severe pain, swelling, bleeding, tissue damage, and sometimes death. They are responsible for more human deaths than any other snake genus in their range. Most venomous insect in the world, Maricopa harvester ant. There are 26 species of harvester ants, many of which are harmless and frequently used in ant farms. But the Paganomermex maricopa, aka the Maricopa harvester ant, is widely considered the most venomous insect on Earth. Maricopa stings are 20 times more toxic than honeybee venom and 35 times more toxic than western diamondback rattlesnakes. If a colony of Maricopa harvester ants targets a human, the insects can, technically, kill the person with several hundred bites. While Maricopa numbers are currently healthy, myrmecologists, people who study ants, warn that populations are declining. Red fire ants and Argentine ants, both invasive species, are encroaching on Maricopa territory, and the competition for food is growing fierce. Most venomous animal in the world to humans. Inland taipan snake. The inland taipan snake is the most venomous snake in the world, with enough venom in one bite to kill 100 humans. The inland taipan snake lives in dry and arid regions of central and eastern Australia, where it hunts mammals, especially rats. The inland taipan snake is not aggressive and prefers to avoid humans. It only bites when provoked or threatened. The inland taipan snake can change its color with the seasons, becoming lighter in summer and darker in winter. The inland taipan snake has only one natural predator, the mulga snake, which is immune to its venom. The inland taipan snake also competes with large monitor lizards for food. Most venomous scorpion in the world, Indian red scorpion. With their small pinchers, bulbous tails, and large stingers, Indian red scorpions top the most venomous scorpion list. Fatality reports fluctuate between 8 and 40%, and sadly, children are most affected by Indian red scorpion venom. Located in India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, Indian red scorpions are about 5 to 9 centimeters long, and most don't live more than 5 years. Scientists believe the serum could lead to pharmaceutical advancements to better fight cancer, malaria, and various dermatological conditions. Most venomous fish in the world, stonefish. There are 5 species of Cynenceas, commonly called stonefish, and you don't want to encounter any of them at the beach. Their venom-filled dorsal fins sting faster than you can say, ouch. And ouch you will be saying if you're stung. Not only are stonefish stings extremely painful, but they can also kill if not treated. Stonefish swish through the Indian and Pacific Oceans and occasionally hang out on the east coast of Africa, Australia's north coast, and some islands in the South Pacific. Since scientists developed an effective antivenom for stonefish stings, there haven't been any reported deaths. Most venomous lizard, Mexican beaded lizard. The Mexican beaded lizard is one of the only 2 species of venomous lizards in the world, along with its close relative, the Gila monster. The venom of the Mexican beaded lizard is produced by glands in the lower jaw and delivered through grooved teeth when it bites. The venom is mainly used for defense, as the lizard feeds mostly on eggs and small animals that do not require venom to subdue. The venom can cause severe pain, swelling, bleeding, and even death in humans. They weigh about 2 pounds, 800 grams, and have pink forked tongues, which they use to smell. The Mexican beaded lizard is native to Mexico and southern Guatemala, where it inhabits various types of forests and scrublands. The good news is that Mexican beaded lizards don't attack humans often, and when they do, death is infrequent. Most venomous bird, hooded pitahui. One of the most remarkable features of the hooded pitahui is its toxicity. The bird's skin and feathers contain a potent neurotoxin called homobatrachotoxin, which is similar to toxins found in poisonous dart frogs. It primarily feeds on toxic insects, including beetles and ants, which contain the same toxins found in the bird's skin and feathers. These birds are found in the lowland and foothill rainforests of New Guinea and nearby islands. The hooded pitahui has a distinctive and melodious song that consists of whistling notes. The attractive bird, which has a brick red belly and black head, was discovered to be poisonous in 1989 when a man caught one in New Guinea. Upon removing the bird from the net, it gave him a bad bite on the finger, and after sucking his own blood, his finger and mouth went numb. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, press bell icon and like the video.